Hello guys, my name is Miss Braden and welcome to my ELA and lab class. This year is going to look a little bit different as we will be wearing our mask in class at all times. And then we're also sanitizing in and out of the classroom with hand sanitizer for our hands and cleaning the desk in between classes. So we ask that you do your part by washing your hands, avoid touching each other and your face. Make sure that we're cleaning all the surfaces and we're covering our coughs and sneezes. Get vaccinated. If you're sick, stay home and maintain 6 feet social distancing and that you wear your mask. All right, this year in ELA, a lot of our focus is independent reading and of course comprehension, all that, but first we're going to focus on getting a book in each child's hands. We have 3 main ways that we're doing that. The South Belton Middle School Library has done amazing at giving tons of online materials through Destiny and Sora in order for the at-home learners to be able to have access to books that they can check out through Sora, which is found in ClassLink. And you can actually borrow that book. I believe you can keep it for about 2 weeks and then turn it back in. You can get 2 books from the SBMS library and 2 books from Sora at one time. And then as you see pictured here, this is my classroom library. I have it split up into different genres, mystery, comedy, then we've got fantasy, autobiographies, graphic novels. I like to try to provide a little bit of everything. That way each student, no matter what reading level or interest they have, when it comes to their independent reading time, they're really enjoying what they're reading. All right, so a little bit about how the classroom and the grades are going to work and my expectations. Grades are going to be 60% minor, which are going to consist of the quick writes and daily assignments that we do in class. The quick writes is what we do at the beginning of pretty much every single class. They are timed. It's a way to get the kids writing for 5 minutes straight. Sometimes the prompts have to do with real life things such as the Renaissance testing that just came up. You know, I had them write about their testing fears and ways that we could make testing a little bit easier for them, or what their worst experience was. These are pretty open-ended questions and there's really no right or wrong answer. When it comes to the quick writes, we're focusing on just the writing for 5 minutes straight and get them used to developing their ideas a step further. Daily assignments, those will consist of independent reading responses, weekly grammar, and things like that. 40% of the grade is major. We will have 3 major grades every 9 weeks. 1 will be a project-based assignment. That way the kid can get a little creative when it comes to this assignment. Then 1 will be an assessment. And then 1 will be their reading log. The reading log is going to be very important this year. There's 2 different ways they can keep track of their reading. 1 is in a digital notebook that they have through Schoology, and the other is through their grammar digital notebook, which they have through Schoology. They can keep track of their minutes that they read in either one of those. When it comes to reading, the time that they read here, they'll keep track of that. Anytime they read at home, they'll need to keep track of that too. If you're a family that cooks together, if you have your child read the instructions on the box or a recipe from an old recipe book, make sure you count that as reading minutes, okay? Because that's reading as well. So they can get that in there, and those little 2-3 minutes, they do add up. For my at-home learners, Zoom meetings will be provided during the assigned class period every day. I really encourage you to get on right when class starts. That way they can start off with our quick writes with us, and they can be timed as well, and they don't get behind. I also do screen sharing during Zoom so that every assignment that we do, they can follow along and see how we're doing it, where it needs to be submitted, and what exactly needs to be done. Also remember that you have until 11:59 at the end of the day to sign in and to complete that day's assignments or at least get your name in for the quick write or whatever attendance is in there. All right, that's how the attendance is working. If you go in the next day and you try to get in, it'll let you in and do the assignments, but you won't be counted present for that day. All right, guys, this is my contact information. My email, rebecca.braden@bisd.net. I'll be checking my emails frequently, but please allow up to 24 hours for a response. Students can always contact me through Schoology. That automatically dings up on my phone, and so as long as I'm not in the middle of something immediate, then I will respond to that. My office hours are from 9:05 to 10:45 on A days that we are here at the school. On Wednesdays, we have Zoom meetings at 10:30 to 11 and 2:30 to 3. Now, these are for if you have any quick questions or need help with an assignment on that day. If you have a bigger question, make sure you email me, or if you find that you're behind on some assignments or you need some one-on-one help with that, get a hold of me and we'll schedule a Zoom meeting in order to get that accomplished. My goal this year is just to make sure that every child understands about reading with a purpose and the importance of it in order for us to have a successful career in the future. My Zoom link can be found in each class page on Schoology. Schoology, I want to go briefly over how that's going to work. You'll go into the week that we're in, and then you'll go into the day that we're in. Inside that day is everything you need to know for that day. I'm also starting next week going to add the Zoom link information in each day. That way you know exactly where you need to go and you're not having to search for it each time. I am so excited that I am going to be y'all's teacher this year. And even though it looks different, we are going to rock it out. We're going to have a good time doing it. And we are going to be successful readers and writers by the end of this school year. Thanks.